So as you could see, we actually had our first like actual snowfall of the season, and the BRZ is completely covered in snow. So we got to clean that off before we actually install our little goodies that we got, and before Dionis gets here, because we're about to go eat. But welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we have something I've been waiting for the longest, and it's simply because they actually started getting water in them, and I don't like the look. I mentioned this in the beginning that the look wasn't just like my style. We ordered them and they finally came in. They actually came in early, but we got them off eBay for like $400 or $350 around there. I don't remember exactly the price, but this is the actual taillights we have on right now. As you can see, right? They're nice. Don't get me wrong. They're nice, but they just make the car look like a transformer from the back when the car is on, and I just don't like it. And then this one started having this problem right here that it's like it got condensation in it, and I can't fix it. That is what we're going to be changing today. And same thing with this like lower brake light and obviously your reverse lights right there. This is kind of like pointless. It doesn't do anything basically. It sucks at night. You can't see anything. But I also got the Valenti one, which matches the tail lights, but unfortunately it still didn't come in. So I'm not going to be installing that in this video. But I'll show you guys when it gets here and I'll put it on. All right. So my man Dionis behind the camera. Look, show yourself, Dionis. Say what's up, boy.
You already know.
I'm gonna do a little unboxing with you guys. Okay. Because I haven't done one in a while, and I want you guys to get the actual reaction of me seeing these taillights for the first time. Bro, this shit has so much tape. All right, instructions. We don't need them. Okay, you guys ready? You guys ready? Okay, hold on. Oh, okay, you're not gonna be able to see them. Never mind. We'll read this in a little bit. All right, the packaging is decent. You know, nothing crazy. It's pretty good. Here we go. It goes like this. Damn. Wait, that is clean. I don't even want to put my hands on it.
Damn.
I don't even want to put my hands on it. Sheesh. And it's sequential too? Look at that. Look at that official Valenti. eBay. #1 customer. That's me. So I'm guessing you take these off. Yeah. Unscrew these. Super simple install. Literally everything is plug and play. And then here's your switch to turn on the sequential. And if you want them like regular, but you know, we're not gonna do that. All right, so let's get these installed really quick before we could go eat, because I am literally starving. And maybe, hopefully, you know, it's snow and we have a rear-wheel drive car, so we gotta see if we can do some skids. So let's go install these real quick before anything. All right, so see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, they look cool and everything, but like they literally look like transformers from the back. Like, look, right? Like, it's nice, it was just not my style. And then this one is obviously has the condensation and all that in there, and that was just getting me tight. So that has to go. But our replacement is literally right here. Oh my god, bro, that looks so clean.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's get this. All right, this is literally the most simplest install ever. All you gotta do is remove your little like trunk headliner, your trunk liner thingy. There's clips around them, so you know, just take those out, and then literally everything should be right there. So all you gotta do is unscrew these little nuts all over. I mean, this car only has 2. Why? I don't know, but I need to get some more. But yeah, just unscrew those, literally pop the old tail light out, and then put the new one in, and that's all you gotta do. And just wire it up, because it's plug and play. And then reverse the process. All right, you guys ready for the difference? This is the old one, and here's the new one. Sheesh! Boy, that's looking fire. You're telling me that this side looks better than this? No way, Jose. This side right here, man. Fire. All right, so Dionis is quickly going to turn on the hazards. This guy. And you guys are going to see the difference in sequential too. Look at that. Look at that. That's fire. This is the old one. It was sequential too, but like, come on now. Come on now.
Crisp.
Crispy, Krispy Kreme. Look at that.
Sir.
All right, now let's put this one in and let's get out of here because I can't feel my fingers anymore. All right, here it is in its all its glory. Oh, they look so good from the back. Oh, I can't wait to white body this car, man. I really can't wait. But look how good that looks. Now we just need that little piece to show up right there, and then I'll install it. And then in the next video, I'll show you guys because it is cold and it's not here, and I'm not gonna wait. All right, this is a quick view of what it looks like at night. It is very bright. Like I said, we're missing the little thing that goes down there, the little third brake light, but we'll get that soon enough. But this looks really, really good. Like, and they're super bright, super duper bright. But yep, they're nice. I like them. That shit's shooting flames. It shot a crazy flame.
Oh man.
So tell me, we get it a 350?
Debatable. I really do want to get a 350.
We need to get to this drifting, man.
I want to get a 350 so bad, bro. I should never sold, man. I should have never sold
Yeah,
it.
my boy Calvin, he had a crazy 350. It was beautiful. But he sold it because he got in trouble with it for doing the same exact thing we're doing right now.
I could have just simply just relaxed with it, you know, put everything
yeah.
back the way it was, you know, make it non-noticeable. But I got my CDL, and I can't be having that type of shit. So now I'm driving the daily,
Yeah,
the ultimate, the Ultima,
the ultimate daily.
that ass.
But all right, let's get out of here before cops come, and it's raining and it's cold and snowy. So yeah, we gotta go. So catch you guys when I'm at like home or something.
Yeah.
All right, we're back now. I actually made this video probably, I want to say like not a month ago, but like 3 weeks ago. And then I did go on vacation, so that's why I haven't edited it yet. And I'm literally editing it right now. There's nothing on the screen because I'm using the SD card. But anyways, you don't care about that. That was horrible on my end. Like that was legit my first time ever. Like it's not drifting. Obviously, it's doing donuts. But ever doing donuts or anything like making my car go sideways, like ever a rear wheel drive car. This is my first time ever, and it was horrible. So
in games, right? In games, I'm like crazy DK Drift King out here, right? I'm number one, right? But no, when I tried in real life, it was not the same. It was not the same, man. But then towards the end, I got a little bit better. I recorded it on my phone. It was just like for just for me. Hopefully, in the future, we could get like a little drift car and actually start getting into the drift scene with Calvin and do some tandems and I don't know, maybe even go to competitions and just have fun, right? But that's a long way from now because we got to finish both of these cars. We got the Integra and the BRZ, and there's one more car that I'm trying to get, just not yet. But I'm still currently waiting on Integra parts, so don't like think that I forgot about my Integra. No, that's my baby. That's my number one. But these parts I've ordered, they're special order, so they take forever, and I actually still don't know when they're gonna be made. But we're just gonna get started on it. Maybe probably doing some like small stuff just to get it up and running at least again, and hopefully not break this time, for we can have some fun with it. And I just wanted to say thank you because we're literally at almost 1,000 subscribers. At the time of this like recording right now, we're at like what 933. So if you actually stayed to the end, please subscribe and like share with all your friends, your cat, your dog, your mom, your school friends, whoever was watching that has an account that can subscribe and is actually gonna watch, share it, okay? So I just want to thank you guys again, literally from the bottom of my heart. I mean, we're not even at 1,000 yet, but it's still like a big achievement for us. So remember, we gotta keep making this happen, bro. We gotta make this happen. All right. But thank you very much. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.